everyone, how are you doing? This is John from GC Chinese, and in this video, we are going to learn two new Chinese characters regarding gender. They are 男 and 女. 男 male, 女 female. Alright, now let's write those two characters together. Alright, the first character we are going to write here is 男. It means male. Now pay attention to the stroke order. 男. First stroke, a vertical stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook. And then a horizontal stroke, a horizontal stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook. And the last one, a downward left stroke. 男, and there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strokes, and its pinyin is 男, n-an, 男, n-an, 男. The initial is n, and the final is an. Is a rising tone. 男, 男. I'm going to write it again. You can write it with me. 男. Pay attention to the stroke order. 男. It means male. And this character is a top-bottom structure character. This part here is this character's top, and this part here is this character's bottom. Okay, next character we are going to write is 女. It means female or woman. Now pay attention to the stroke order. This character is quite easy. The first stroke is a downward stroke to the left, and then an extended dot to the right. Next stroke, a downward left stroke, and then a horizontal stroke. So there are in total 3 strokes. The pinyin of this character is 女, 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 女. There are 2 dots on the top. 女. And the initial of this pinyin is 呢, and the final of this pinyin is 语, and is a falling rising tone. 呢语, 女. I'm going to write it again. You can write it with me. 女, 女. It means female. And this character is a single structure character. Now let's look at those 2 characters. 男, 男, 男. 女 呢鱼女 Next, let's look at some phrases. Alright, so the first vocabulary we are going to learn is 男人. It means man or male. It usually refers to adult male. 男人 呢 男 人 男人 It means man or male. Next one, 男孩 It means boy. 男和男孩 It means boy. Next one, 女人 What does this mean? Right, it means woman or female. It also refers to adult woman or female. His pinyin is 呢鱼女人女人 And next one, 女孩 And it means girl. 女孩It means girl. Now let's look at these 4 vocabularies. 男人男孩女人女孩 Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。